Dosha Madagua. Hello, my friends. What an exciting time to be a part of this third annual 2020 North Dakota LGBTQ Summit. My name is Cardinal Redbird. I am an enrolled member of the Fort Berthold Reservation. I grew up in Newtown, North Dakota, and I currently reside in Bismarck, North Dakota. My nationality is Mandan and Sisseton Sioux. Mandan on my father's side and Sisseton Sioux on my mother's side. I am one of the founders of the North Dakota Two-Spirit Society and Allies. And I would also like to mention the other founder, Willard Little Owl Jr., an enrolled member of the Fort Berthold Reservation. His nationality is Mandan and Hongpapa. Willard was raised in Twin Buttes, North Dakota, and currently resides in Fargo, North Dakota. I would like to begin to greet all of you in my Hiraza language. Dosha Madagua, Ma Bi Sagids, Date Ma Kuba, Hiri Eetza, Two Spirit, Nidiga, E LGBTQ plus Miate, Hiri Girishadzi, Date Ma Kuba, Eetza, Nidiga, E Miate, Ika Sagids Date Ma Kuba, Hiri LGBTQ Summit 2020 Eetza Girishadzi, Aho Date Ma Kuba, Niwa Awagads. We are coming together from across the state of North Dakota for the 2020 North Dakota LGBTQ Summit. We want to take a moment to acknowledge that wherever we stand on native land, and we ask for the blessing of our ancestors upon this gathering. Date Ma Kuba, North Dakota LGBTQ Summit, Sagids, Ma Sigarads, Date Ma Kuba, Aho.